Ay, putang ina mo. Gago. Ano ba yun?
Yeah, I know Uganda, Kabale. It's in Africa. To show my feelings.
Ano ko hindi umabot na 3 minutes yung gago.
Guys, I have a question for you. Nabasa din ako sa Facebook. Are you going to accept your past lover who cheated on you? Like, your past lover wants to come back to you, but he cheated. No, I haven't visited Uganda. Drake Rajput, I need your WhatsApp number. Why? Just message me here in TikTok if there's anything you wanna say. Uy, I need to go live for another 25 minutes apparently. What's this, Anthony? Ocean deep. Naman ko magpa-head massage. Isa man ako. What do you need mostly? What do you mean by that, Kabali? Ah, yeah, kanang si term ana sa Bisaya, Blue. We have a term for that, right? Yeah, Jello, you can request a song. I'm still accepting 2 more songs from other people, not the usual people, not the usual persons who requested. Kasi term ana gani ka na kailangan gani mo balihon ni Memo Sanina para we can go back where you came from. Jess, I like your accent. Thank you, Jess. Ah, gilamat. So if say probably. Okay, Blue. I'm getting the metaphor there. I love that, Blue. I love what you said. Wala ko makaon ako din akong problema. Tiguwang naman ka. Nangitang paagi para makakaon ka. We belong together. Guys, accepting 2 more songs from other people na ha. Apex, Blue, Vince. Let's give chance to other people.
Putang inang tong hati ko.
Yeah, I listen to My Chemical Romance, but not during this time when we're about to sleep. No. Maybe some other time in the morning. I want to do live tomorrow morning. Helena. Okay, I'll accept Helena. Jeremiah, are you going to the MCR concert? Next year? Yes, I do listen to Red Jumpsuit Apparatus. Jeremiah, next time, if we're gonna watch the live again, I'm, I'm, I'm gonna accept one last song request. Mahal kayo. No, we'll stay in the 2K.